Conversation 1.
Hi, John. Long time no see. What have you done recently?
I have visited many countries in the past year.
That's awesome. Have you tried anything special?
Absolutely. I've been to Japan, Thailand, and Italy. In Japan, I tried sushi for the first time.
Wow, that's fantastic. I have always wanted to try sushi.
It has been a delicious experience. You should definitely try it someday.
I will keep that in mind.
Conversation 2.
Have you all studied for the English test?
Yes, I have.
I haven't had a chance to study yet.
It's important to make time for studying, Sarah. Have you all received the study guide?
Yes, we have.
Excellent. Have any of you had any questions about the material?
Yes, I have. I don't understand the third section.
Okay, we'll go over that section again in class today. Anyone else have any questions?
I have a question about the second section.
All right, we'll review that section as well. Remember, if you have any questions while studying, don't hesitate to ask.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. We worked hard to create it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Conversation 3.
Have you ever run a marathon?
Yes, I have. I've done 2 marathons.
That's impressive. How did you train for it?
I trained for months, running more each week.
Have you done other athletic events too?
Yes, I've done triathlons.
Have you set any personal records?
Yes, I got my best time in a half marathon.
Have you ever been injured while training?
Yes, a few minor injuries, but I recovered.
Have you inspired others to run?
Yes, I encourage friends and family to join me.
Have you thought about running in a famous marathon?
Yes, I've considered the Boston Marathon.
Good luck with your goals.
Thanks. I'll keep working hard.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.